brief analysis on USD CAD. Okay, um, we have the Fed interest rates coming up today, and for the first time in a couple of months, the forecast for the incoming interest rate is that the dollar is expected to cut interest rate by 0.25%. Okay, you can see the previous forecast here. It has always been 4.5, 4.5, 4.5, and those forecasts have been accurate. So this is the first time uh, since last year that dollar are expected to cut the interest rate. So let's just jump into the charts real quick. So looking at USD CAD, let's follow the flow from the monthly time frame. We've been trending up, trending up, trending up, trending up, and then you can say we had a massive push up on the monthly time frame, and then again price came back to the zone on the monthly time frame, because you can mark it as a demand, because this is the last candle before uh, the massive push to the upside. So price came back, tapped this zone on the monthly time frame, and then we had a bullish engulfing candle on the monthly time frame, which traders usually say is an indication, that buyers are getting into the market. But then again, I'm still bearish on the dollar, and I feel this might be a fake out. But like I say every time, you have to be reactive to the market, and you can't predict anything because anything can happen. So this is just my own idea. So now jumping on the weekly time frame, you can easily spot this as you can refine your demand zone that will mark that on monthly to this level. But then on the weekly time frame, since price has struggled to find any kind of momentum, because you see these candles here were clean, but price has been a little bit choppy. It has been creating maybe higher highs and higher lows gradually, but it's so slow. And the month of August was really, really choppy. But then on the weekly time frame, we have this nice supply area right here. We have this nice supply area right here, which on the monthly time frame was just a rejection. Okay, but on the weekly time frame, you can take it as an order block. That's the last buy candle before the sell downward. And so since price tapped into this demand, we have been trading in between this range on the weekly time frame. So now on the daily time frame, after price did tap into this area of supply, this is the price action for the whole of August. Because if you look at this candle here, this rejection here is started on the 1st of August. And so we tapped into this daily supply zone, and if you can look closely, we have a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, you can say this is the head right here, and this is the left shoulder right here, and also this is the right shoulder. Okay, so all these are all indicating price. When we see a head and shoulder pattern on the market, is usually a bearish indication, and so right now it's not the time to be engaging into trades, because we have interest rate decision coming up later today. So this is just my own analysis. Okay, so normally when we have a head and shoulder pattern, we usually wait for the break of the neckline, and this is our neckline right here, because if you extend it to the left, it's also a good area because price has rejected here a couple of times. So what I would expect to happen is having a breakout of this neckline and price coming back to give us a retest of this neckline, and then we can take our sell opportunity. Okay, and usually for head and shoulders, you actually try to measure the length of the head and shoulder pattern to know how many pips to target for your sell trade. So I would say this head and shoulder pattern is around 180 pips. So when we have that break and retest, you can expect USD CAD to sell, probably to grab all this trend line liquidity that has built up here. Okay, so this is what I expect on USD CAD in the next couple of weeks. But this is just my own trading idea, and please don't treat it as a financial advice. Thank you guys, and see you next time.